Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I didn't mean to make another video about this same topic, but so this is part 3. In part 2, I made the comment, I just drew a straight line through these lines, and if we turn it yellow so you can see it. So that's just a straight line. But these are improved because they're good slick vectors where these were not. So I mentioned in the video that I would contour the lines, and somebody goes, and I'm going to group these together, and I'm going to turn them red. Somebody questioned what I meant. So what I'm going to do real quickly, I'm going to take this, I'm going to go to Object and ungroup all, because I want to get rid of these. Okay, let me move. There's actually some ghost. Let's see what it looks like. View, wireframe. Yeah, there was another set of lines. So that's almost good. I did that. Just get rid of that. I'm going to get rid of it. I've played around with this so much, I probably had double line. I'm going to get rid of everything but our lines. Unless I can grab my, okay, there we go. I'm getting rid of the lines. And if this is something you did while you were working on it, I'm just going to get rid of these totally. So here's our graphic back. Now, the whole time I'm doing this, I'm not moving any objects. I'm nudging them. So what I want to do, when I said I wanted to contour the lines around this ram's head, is where this was a straight line. It isn't going to change it too much, but personally, I would do it. I'm going to grab this head, and there is an outline there, but I don't want that outline. I'm going to take a rectangle. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, set on just blue for you, and there is my outline. Okay. Now I'm going to move it over and down, and I'm going to left click, right click. Then I'm going to go to contour. I'm going to contour to the outside with rounded corners, 0.03. And I get just a little bit of a contour. And the reason I use the rounded corners, I've already practiced this, and this is a sharp corner. And when you contour something with a sharp corner, it overemphasizes it, makes it worse. I'm going to break the contour apart. I'm going to take the inside one and just delete it. Now I'm going to take this back up to our graphic, and I'm only going to contour around the ram's head. I'm not going to contour. Matter of fact, well, I won't have to group them together because I've got this grouped together. So now I'm going to put that in there. Well, I'm going to Smart Fill them, so the line's only going to go to this line, the contour line. But I don't want it going up into here. And I think this will look better if I use the 3-point curve line. And we discovered yesterday that this drawing is not symmetrical, so I'm not worried about them being like that. So then just take your Smart Fill tool, set on black now, fill that in, that in, that in, and see the contour is stopping it from getting there. Now, if you remember, I have the red lines grouped, so I can move them up, and now I can get my ram's head back. Well, I want to get rid of the contour, and then move my ram's head back, and can't believe it was that easy to get everything back. Now, look at the difference. It formed the shape of the head. Now, I did not put the rings on top. Let's just go ahead and do that. I'm going to group that all together. And then I'm going to put these rings down. And yesterday I used straight lines, and this is a curve. So why not use the 3-point curve line? just get off the surface. And like I said, if this thing was 100% perfect, I would take this and mirror it over, but you could still do it, but I'm not going to take your time. I want to make sure I'm good. And then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, set on black, fill in that, and that. And because my circles are grouped together, I'm having trouble grabbing my circle. Well, if you ever have trouble, just move something out of the way and then grab your circles, move them out of the way. Now I'm going to go ahead and take away these lines and then move this. So nudging is the key. Don't ever move anything, nudge it. And this is also, if you remember, it's reverse engraving. So I would take I didn't mean to, I should not have colored in the, let me shift select all these. I should not have selected, I'm going to put no fill outline, make an outline. I shouldn't have filled them in. So what I'm doing, I'm shift selecting. Okay, I got to ungroup it. Go up to object, group, and ungroup. There we go. Then I'm going to shift select all my lines. See, I have 3 objects selected. I'm going to left click, no fill, right click outside, outline. Because if you remember, this is a reverse engraving. So we don't want that there. And then we take our Smart Fill tool and fill that in. I'm really starting to like this logo, but see the difference, or hope you can see the difference. I don't know if it's worth the extra time. I know this part is. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.